Hello lovely people, this is the wooden laptop for children 3 years plus. This is what we have on the inside. These are the numbers. Here are the alphabets from A to how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching from. Today we're going to be unboxing Playtive wood laptop for children 3 years plus. It has 84 parts. It is a wooden laptop. It helps children for playing and learning how to number. Let's go on and unbox it together to see what it has. Okay, this is the manual and these are the micropack preservatives. It is a wooden laptop that has magnetic clock. Here states everything you need to know for So hello lovely people, this is the wooden laptop for children 3 years plus. This is what we have on the inside. These are the numbers. Here are the alphabets from A to Z. Here are the numbers from 1 to 20, and these are the multiplication of mathematics signs. Here we have chalk. The chalk for writing, and this is the duster. This chalk you use to write here on the board. And they also have a wooden telephone that your child can use to learn how to make phone call. These are all made from wood. Okay, the board is said to be magnetic in case your child wants to. The letters here are magnetic. They can stick to the board, so your child can stick the letters. Your child can learn. Okay. Can also make the multiplication signs. Here are all this is the chalk. I have 2 of them here. Can you use to write also? Your child wishes to also write, to learn how to write. Okay? Or your child can also use this to draw. No? So and if you wish to wipe off what you have, I have a duster here that you can use here to wipe what you've written. Okay, here. So this is what I have for you in this board. It is all made from wood. It is safe for your child from age 3 plus. But if a child younger should use it, it should be used under care that it doesn't swallow this tiny part. It has alphabets that are magnetic to the board. It has letters. Then there is this guide here. This guide shows that with these letters you can form any of these can form a face, a happy face, a tree, a sheep, an umbrella. Also have this side, can form a lot of things, butterfly, cup of tea with this alphabet and letters. Your child will have a lot of fun using this board. I hope you enjoy this. Do not forget to like and give a comment. We do love to have this for your child. You find this helpful in learning letters and numbers? Leave a comment, and until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye.